Let me walk you through how to extract educational content from any site using Minexa.ai. No coding needed. You'll see how quick and simple scraping video and course listings can be. I am opening the page where the list of items is already loaded. From here, just open the extension by clicking its icon in the browser. The extension is open. Hit I'm on the right page. Minexa begins analyzing the page to detect the educational content list. Automatically detected, main content area and navigation are both confirmed by Minexa.ai for accurate scraping. At this point, select whether the list alone is enough, or if Minexa should open each course's detail page for more data. Press Continue to move on, or choose Advanced if you need to fill fields or click buttons before results show. That highlighted section is where your data lives. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa learns exactly how to extract it. Every piece of data found automatically. For scraping educational content, this includes course titles, video links, descriptions, and instructor names. Select what matters and move on. If you are a developer, click API Request to get Python code with retries and proxy rotation built in for seamless integration. Finalize the configuration by hitting Complete Configuration to save your scraper setup. Pagination is ready. Minexa has detected the Next Page button automatically. Every future run collects all pages seamlessly. Final step. Add a schedule if you want refreshed data regularly. Then click Complete Setup to finish.
The job is ready.
Click Run, and Minexa starts extracting your educational content data quickly and reliably. Each field is locked to its exact position on the page, consistent across every row and run. You get course titles, video URLs, descriptions, and instructor info, all neatly organized regardless of page count or layout changes. Download your results and open them in any spreadsheet tool immediately for further analysis or reporting. Minexa extracts data from any website automatically. No code for non-technical users, and for developers, deterministic extraction with no AI guessing or extra costs.